I'm excited to say that I figured this out. I think so. I have a couple documents up on the screen here. Um, One is the original that you sent me. That's the one on the left. On the right is the one that I've touched up a bit. And so I've done some minor editing just to kind of get rid of all the blank spaces and underlines and blah, blah, blah. I can show you some tricks for making that a little faster. But the important thing here is I've changed the language so that when JAWS reads the French words, it reads them in French and not in English. So I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm going to go into the original document here. I'll turn on my JAWS voice.
Full speech.
So we should hear JAWS read this out for us.
Blank. Less numeros et la data nom underline underline underline.
Sound like French. I'll go down to the
The
prompt.
data A. Write in French the number which comes before each number. 1. Underline 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 Hewitt.
Hewitt.
2. Underline 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 quarante dash sept.
Quarante sept. So on the other document, I'll show you what it looks like now that I've tagged those words as French.
And numeros underline data HW edit dash word. Top of file. Blank. Le numéro et la date. No. Underline.
That sounds like French. Let's go down.
Date A. 1. Underline. 8. 2. 47. 3. 12. 4. 23. 5. 55.
Much better, much easier to understand and kind of compare with what she's learning in class. Get some real pronunciations here. It does all show up on the Braille display as well. It's showing up, as far as I can tell, in UEB Braille. So typical Braille is not in French Braille, as far as I know. French Braille is very similar. Well, I guess Braille was originally French, so I won't go down that rabbit hole. Anyhow, here's how I did this. So you can select some text.
Selected. Less numeros et la data.
And I'm going to turn my JAWS voice off.
Space. Speech on demand.
Select some text, and then in review, we enter language, choose language, and we want to set the proofing language to French. And once you do that, it will read it in French. I'll turn JAWS back on.
Full speech. Le numéro et la date. Nom underline underline underline.
You can just go word by word and apply that. So I can like double click on this word to highlight it, and I'll hold control and I can select more words. The hyphen selects by itself. So just grab all the words that I want to turn to French. There, so language,
Upper ribbon, lower,
language,
leaving menu, set proofing language dot to move to an item, press the edit.
and then we'll get all of the English. Is it read in English?
Date A. Write in French the number which comes before each number. 1. Underline underline underline. 8.
All the French is in French. Okay, that's it.